Today is a full moon night. It's almost midnight. My friends and I come to Wat Sutat in Bangkok. We come here for the full moon bath by monks. Monks are praying for the spiritual water, which they're going to use it for taking us a bath. It's time to sleep. I'm surprised to see a lot of Buddhist Thai coming here by midnight for this ceremony. But who don't want to do it when we believe that the power of water, which is already past the sacred ceremony, will bring us luck and better life. The monk set the bowl of water right to the moon and make sure that the shadow of the moon will be in the middle of the spiritual water. We believe that the power of full moon will lift the water on the earth to be higher than normal. I leave the camera back by the building before going to get wet. The full moon bath that we come to get it will bring us luck, attractive, and it will bring us to the successful. Oh wow, I feel so special. It's hard to explain how I feel in my mind, but it's so grateful.
Okay, everybody, we are all wet.
Yeah.
How you feel?
Feel good. A little bit cold.
So beautiful, wonderful day. November, the full twilight. เราต้องดื่มเลยจะได้ขำถูกต้องไหม
โอ้ย
กลางแสง
เออกลางแสงจันทร์
เขาประมาณ
holy water
And this one is like rustle water or just like spiritual water that we get it from this ceremony. And right now when we see the full moon, we think when we get this, we are going to drink it now for luck. So my friend is going to drink first.
holy water on the Loi Katong day. This one for special water from the Buddhist monk. They pray for this water and they give for all the Buddhist people. They come to the temple here.
Yeah.
Enjoy good health, good luck, lucky, and rich, rich, rich.
I hope my life is getting better after today. Cheers.
It is special water for my better life.
Okay.
For me, I wish to be healthy. The best of luck is being healthy. Cheers! By the moon! Woo! That's great.
I don't know what we're doing tonight will become true or not. But religion and belief give us hope and bring us an encouragement. And if it doesn't work, I'm still glad to come tonight and share a great memory with my great friends. And this is our Thai life.